The Sportneer Bike Trainer Stand offers wide compatibility, accommodating most road and mountain bikes with wheels ranging from 26 to 28 inches, making it a versatile choice for cycling enthusiasts. With its 6-level magnetic resistance adjustment, users can easily customize their workout intensity to simulate real road conditions, enhancing their training experience from the comfort of their home. The quick-release lever on this bike trainer stand allows for seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor cycling, ensuring that users can spend more time training and less time setting up. Designed for a quiet and smooth ride, this indoor bike trainer minimizes noise with its magnetic wheel design, making it suitable for use at any time without disturbing others. The Sportneer Bike Trainer Stand is built with rock-solid stability, featuring a wide base and adjustable anti-slip rubber feet, providing a secure and balanced ride on any surface. Installation is straightforward with the included front wheel riser block, giving users a stable platform to enhance their indoor cycling sessions efficiently.